I have 100 days to go from zero to $10,000 a month. Today was day 18 and I did some work, but I procrastinated a lot. I have a problem with procrastination. Like, it's my biggest problem right now, and I need to fix it. I need to really fix it. So today I woke up at 6 a.m. I had to wake up at 6 a.m. Although this challenge was over. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. to work on my niche research document. I did work on it. I worked about 6 hours on this document from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. But I would say my productivity was about 50%. So let's say I did 3 hours of deep focused work. The rest was just unproductive work. I was sitting on my desk for 6 hours, but if I really worked about 3 hours, like really doing the work, the essential work. So tomorrow we will aim for at least 8 hours of work with a 50 to 60% productivity rate. I will aim for a 60% productivity rate, like 6% of me executing, really doing the work, not just sitting on my desk or staring at the screen or staring at the computer. And that was it for today. After 12 a.m. I didn't do any work. After 12 a.m. I went to sleep uh because I was really tired. I don't sleep much this night. Like, it's 4 a.m. and I can't sleep. So I procrastinated. I didn't do any work from 12 a.m. till 4 a.m. right now. From 12 a.m. till 5 p.m. I was sleeping. So my sleep schedule is too messy right now. My sleep schedule is a mess. So I need to fix that. So, and to fix that, I will set a bedtime of 11 p.m. If I don't go to bed at 11 p.m. for this challenge, and if I don't have a clear excuse as to why I'm not in bed at 11 p.m., this challenge is over. I have to go to bed at 11 p.m. every single day going forward in this challenge. If you're new here, this challenge is not only for the money, it's for the transformation, for the person I will become at the end of this challenge. I have to fix all my issues, my procrastination issues, all my bad habits, and become a new version of myself that is capable of reaching $10,000 a month. So that's the goal. The ideal thing is I reach $10,000 a month before the end of this 100-day challenge. But if that don't happen, I will just extend the timeline. If I don't reach it in 100 days, I will just keep doing this challenge. I will post a video every single day until the day I reach $10,000 a month. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you tomorrow on day 19.